येरादारी नेमांचे उल्लंघन करप्यांचेर आतां गोंय पुलिशेचो कडक दळो. येरादारी नेम मोडटल्यांक तशेंच येरादारी नेमांत शिस्त हाडपाक आतां जनतेनूय हातभार लावपाची गरज आसा. कोणूय येरादारी नेम मोडले तर जनतेन 7875756110 ह्या नंबरार व्हॉट्सॲप करचें म्हण मागणी DGP मुक्तेश चंदर हांणी केल्या. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
In Goa, we are launching a traffic sentinel scheme. In this scheme, any citizen can report traffic violation from their smartphones using WhatsApp. The important part of this scheme is that traffic violations which happen all over the state, many of them go unnoticed. So citizen can participate in reporting these traffic violations. It will increase the sense of traffic discipline among the road users because they will feel that anyone can record the violation and report it to the police. It will also involve the community in our traffic discipline efforts. A WhatsApp number 7875756110 has been designated for this purpose. 7875756110. In order to take the benefit of this scheme, citizens will have to send their names, address, email ID. Once the number is verified, we will issue a traffic sentinel number to him. Thereafter, they can send photographs or video clip of the violation. Certain type of violation have been included. Along with they can send photograph or video clip with date, time and place and what kind of offense they are reporting. Based on the type of violation, they will have be given reward points. For example, driving against the flow of traffic, if a video clip is sent and it clearly establishes that he is driving against the flow, he will get 10 points. Parking on footpath or zebra crossing will have 3 points. Triple riding will have 10 points. Red light jumping, dangerous driving, using mobile while driving, if these video clips are sent, they will get 10 points. And in the same way, without helmet and others also have 10 points, certain points. As soon as you accumulate 100 points, a reward of 1000 rupees will be.